Hi guys! So today I'm gonna show you how to make this spicy sweet fried chicken. So first you're gonna want to get your clean cut chicken. I'm using wings and legs, but this can go for any part of the chicken. So first you're gonna want paprika, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and that's it. Now you're just going to want to mix it. Now that you mixed in your lightly seasoned chicken, you're just going to want to cover it and put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes or 30 minutes or overnight. Now you're going to get ready with your batter or your flour mix. So first you're going to want to get is flour. I ran out of flour, so I had to get more, so please wait for me. Okay, so I poured the rest of my flour. I'm just patting it out so I can make it all even. Sorry. Then you're gonna want to get your salt, onion powder, some black pepper, cayenne pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and I'm just adding in some more all-purpose seasoning, and that's it. Now you're just going to want to mix that and put it aside. Now that it's all mixed, I'm just going to go ahead and dip my lightly seasoned chicken in my flour batter and put it on this tray to set in the fridge for about 15 minutes or so. Anyways, so while I'm doing this, I just wanted to let you guys know that this recipe doesn't have any precise measurement because this is just like based off what I like my chicken. But if you want your chicken more spicier, you can add more spices. More saltier, you can add more salt or salt-based seasoning. Or you can even add like brown sugar and those stuff, but I don't do that. But you can, of course. So right now, I'm just placing my chicken evenly on the tray so I can put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes or so. while I'm doing this, I just wanted to tell you guys, make sure you like, comment, and share my last video so you can enjoy this one even more. And I hope you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and following my Facebook account, which is Moya Meals. Once you're done with your flour mix / batter, you don't want to throw it away because you also want to pre-dip your wings or chicken pieces or parts back in before you fry it over so you can get that real nice crunch. Okay, so I'm done. This is how my chicken looks. I'm trying my best not to spill it. Just some wings and some thighs. Now we're gonna get on to the ketchup part, this sweet sauce. So you're gonna wanna get some tomatoes. I'm using these cherry tomatoes and then I'm just gonna smash them. This part is very dangerous. It includes a knife, as usual. If you're a young viewer, please make sure you have an aunt, an uncle, your mom, your dad, a sister or brother nearby, just in case if you hurt yourself. And please be careful while cutting your vegetables because it can get very dangerous. So right now I'm just cutting my sweet peppers because, as you guys know, I love to add some sweet peppers to each dish I have. But obviously you can just use whatever vegetables you have in your fridge or whatever vegetables you want to use for your sauce. But I'm just using my Norm, and you will see later on in this video what that is. Please be careful while you're cutting because it can get very, very dangerous, especially if you have smaller fingers. Please just be careful. Or you can ask a family member that's way older than you to cut it beforehand you start cooking because it can get messy, scary, painful, and dangerous. Cutting up my scallions. Please remember, when you're cutting scallions or any narrow vegetable or fruit, be careful and keep your fingers far away from the blade because it can get very scary and bloody and dangerous. I don't know how much times I'm going to say that in this video, but it is a very scary process while cutting. I'm just gonna put that with the rest of my vegetables. Now we're just gonna add one pepper, of course, the Scotch bonnet, and you're just gonna want to dice them up small. Okay, so now let's get to the cooking part. You want to add at least 1 tablespoon of butter to a hot sizzling pan. Please be careful while you're doing this, it can get very scary. And after, you want to add your vegetables to caramelize in the butter. Once they're all caramelized and has that charcoal look, you want to add all your tomatoes, your smashed tomatoes, of course. Then once that starts to sear, you're going to want to add your onion powder. Give it a good mix. Now that it's all mixed and combined, you're going to want to add your cayenne pepper just to fry up in those vegetables that are still raw. And then you're going to want to add your pepper flakes. You can use chili flakes, pepper flakes, any type of spicy flakes. And then you're going to want to add some brown sugar. At least 1 tablespoon, or how much butter you use. You can use that much brown sugar according. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah. Then you're going to want to add some salt to even out the savory and sweet taste in your dish. Give that a good mix and make it caramelize some more in those flavors. Now that your vegetables are all cooked down and no longer raw, you're going to want to add your sauce of choice. This is just some regular hot sauce and ketchup mixed all together. And make sure you give it a nice stir. Now that you mixed it and it's starting to become one consistency, you're going to want to wait until it starts to boil. Now it's boiling up. Put it aside and let it cool. Now you want to start on your chicken. This is just my tester piece. I did not eat it. I just wanted to see how hot the oil was. Okay, so now your chicken is frying up. You're almost done. Hang on. And this is how you make the sweet, spicy chicken. So good. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!